how to make Google Chrome continue using google.com.au as your search engine. As you may have noticed that trying to visit google.com.au, Google sends us to google.com. But there is a couple of settings that you can use, and I'm going to show you what they are. In your Google Chrome, let's press on the three dots here. Let's press on Settings. On the left, let's select Search Engine, Manage Search Engines. Here we can add site search. Let's take a look at what we can do. I'll zoom in so that you see the pattern here. So basically, provide a name, anything that you want, and a shortcut, and this URL pattern. As we can see, that pattern has google.com.au. And then simply save changes. So how do you use this? Simply this shortcut. Let's say @Google.au. Now Google Chrome gives you an option that says search Google Australia. So now we can say, okay, Melbourne, Australia. Let's do that. As we can see, now we're still searching google.com.au. So that's one way. Another way, you can actually create a bookmark. Simply add a new bookmark. Name it anything that you want. Let's say Google Australia, search. The URL is this. Let's just say keyword. Let's save changes. And then that bookmark you can move to a place that is easy, and where it says keyword, just change that to your search pattern. Let's say Melbourne train times as an example. Timetable, okay, that's another way to search google.com.au. Okay, so Google is making major changes, but if you're in Australia and you want to continue using google.com.au, these are the settings available for you. And also definitely check out Rank Your Blog, because I'm keeping a blog post for these updates. And if you haven't subscribed to Rank Your YouTube channel and you want to learn more about using Google products, definitely check out Rank Your YouTube channel.